Got a quick and simple video today. Primer ball went out on the Stihl. Went on Amazon, just picked up a universal kit. Super easy to do. Start taking out the screws right on the side. See if I can get them out without too much of a problem. A little crusty, but you know, it is what it is. It's a backup blower. I got a backpack blower that I mainly use around the property. So this one just kind of sits around. Let's see here. Kind of a tight spot, but I'm not really in the mood to take out the whole carburetor itself, so I'm just gonna have to suck it up. Looks pretty close. What about this one? Same thing. Let's see. It's a bit tight. Sorry for the bad angles. It is what it is. Uh-oh. Well, that sucks. Let me run these down a little bit more. I wonder if it'll pop out. Looks like I gotta tear it apart. Think you got an easy job, then you do something stupid. Just keeps on adding. Where did that go? It might have went deeper. Doesn't look too bad back here. Where did this thing go? I hear it. Looks like I gotta go deeper. Sounded like it went into the handle. I probably should have shaken it earlier, but you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. see is right inside there. There it is. Go ahead and put this in before I put everything back together. If I can put it back together, yeah. Got a little crack back there, but oh well, so that will get it. Okay. And line back up. Yep, there it is. All right. Nerdy. That's how it's going to stay too. Dirty. I ain't sitting there right. More better. Alrighty, air filter back on. Twice choke. Can't remember. Oh well, figure it out. That sounds horrible. High-pitched noise. That's better. Well, that was it. Good to go.